Fast Track Auto Mall, Cleveland's hottest deals on wheels.
Hey, it's Mike with Fast Track. Today, we're checking out a 2017 Nissan Rogue. She's an SV, I believe an all-wheel drive. Nice chrome rims, nice different accents. Got LED turn signals on the outside there. Proxy keyless entry. There's the push button on the door. Nice Caspian blue, like a nice speckle to the paint. Pretty clean body-wise. It's like surface there. Taken out. Again, rims are clean. Scratch the wheel well in one at the back. So SV all-wheel drive. So, and then, you know, there is this here, in sense of defect. We can talk if there's an issue about that, if we can do something with it. Let's open her up for a second. Do you want to open it? Okay, fine. So she's manual. Let's see. Under the lips. Jams here. Good all around. And they got a nice little cargo system. You can bring this up, lock it in place, and different things. Spare tires under here. There we go. All right. But it's nice to have handy, and then you can use these rails here and everything to use these two different pieces to kind of lock up place and set your things up. You got all-weather mats here for the back, so you can keep things clean. Let's bring her down. But the struts are good, right? Manual, but the struts are good. It's also got a 10 package roof rack. And overall, nice car. We'll get the miles here in a second when I get her opened up. Okay, so we got her opened up. Let's check her out. Listen to her run for a few. Clean runner overall. Nice LEDs on here, you know, for brights, and I like the effect on that. I like the way they did the cuts on it overall. Looking at the tires, we got a lot to play with. So you get good meat on the tires. And again, you got your LED turn signals for the outside. We got heated rear windows, you know, for the defrost. So nice in the winter. Little 10 package, but not bad. It's legal, you know. For the back, you got a few shades darker. But you don't have to worry about getting pulled over, you know. One-touch auto for the driver. And then for the back windows, everybody else is a hold. All right. And that's it. So we'll do mirrors. I'll do this one. And we'll do the other one when we get back because the door's open. You know, it's hard to see. Let's look at the door jambs. Clean, no rust. Back door panel. See what I mean with the kind of, you can see the shade of the blue change with the light. It's pretty nice. Nice color. Nice setup. Like the speckles when they do that. Bring her up. Working. And then these seats are on rails, so you can bring them forward nice and easy. Fold this down flat. Back tires, great on tread. You're not going to need nothing. You walk away clean. Listen to exhaust for a minute. And underneath, let's see if we can get over here. Hey, a little bit. Pretty clean, right? Pretty clean overall. Let me get a better angle. Oh, there we go. All right, it's as much as I get for the moment without putting her on the lift. Let me know if you need her on the lift. We already kind of covered the back. That's good. Again, back passenger tire, great. No defects on the rim, no scuffery or anything or deterioration. Just had an expedition. It was nice, but at the same time, you know, the chrome starting to, whatever, it's like a hair of chrome painted on it, you know what I mean? And that's starting to peel off. Let's check her. Done, good. Passenger side, good. And again, we'll take a look at both of the jams. Lips underneath the doors. Clean, right? You know, so anyways, come on camera. There we go. I gotta bring her back. All right, manual for the passenger. but you know, it's a so rail and rail. I mean, good to go. But heated seats on both. You know, 2-stage. We'll leave them on. It'll start cooking. And I kind of like heated seats cloth. So that pretty much covers the outside. Let's take a look on the inside. All right, we'll close her up. All right, so driver's side, power seats. One, two, three, four. I was looking for this to see if it was 8-way, so it's not. It'll raise that up. So, you know, it's working. Recline is working good. Let's bring her back so I can sit down in this thing. Good motion, good range of motion, good padding on the seat. Lumbar, so you just click this guy. That'll bring the lumbar in and out. We'll take a look here, starting in. So we got, you know, the warning of the parking sensors, your traction control, all-wheel drive lock, and nice sport and eco, so you can switch out for mileage or performance. There's your gas tank and hood, all easy. Your pull switch here, it's tilt telescopic on the steering wheel. Now let's see the passenger mirror. Good, done. All right, and the seat's starting to cook. Let's take a look. Again, we got 128, 362 on the miles. It's in a good place. Over here in control land, let's turn the radio on. Let's put a starter here. I got her on Bluetooth right now. It's doing something just to test it, you know. Let's bring her on. It's got CD player, USB, so a few different things. Radio really is very nice on this. I think they did a good job with that. Okay, let's check it for a backup camera. Look at that, there we go. Let's see if it's predictive. Not predictive, but hey, take whatever you can get, you know what I mean? All right, shut her off. So we got that. Let's take a look. In the sense of controls working, let's do a test. Leave it here at 7. Volume's going up. Going down. Let's see what about presets. Trying to figure out what this guy does. So this guy here takes care of everything over here. So this would be, you know, average speed. Let's look. So you got speeds, trip distance, fuel economy, all that good stuff. And what station you got. Let's see if I push up here. So this guy is going to jump through your presets. So once you set them here, let's see how you would set them. Let's go 92.3. There you go. All you gotta do is push till you hit the beep. So everything's working over here, and we go back. That'll take us back to the main menu over here. Cruise control, easy there. Let's see what happens. So you can change it from miles and kind of leave your, it'll give you a digital definition of your speed. Phone controls are right here for answering. Looks like the microphone's right here. So nice, close, easy, clean. Look over here. We got USB and aux. There's your outside hookups. You got power. Shifter's clean. Let's turn on a little heat because we're gonna need it real soon here. Ugh, I'm not looking forward to it, but it's life. Dual climate control too, so let me bring her down to 60 and her up to 90, and let's go mode on, go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to look here because it's not even a blower, it's just nothing's initializing. Wait a minute. Okay, now I got heat. Okay, sorry about that, I kind of jumped the gun. Heat's coming out of here, good. There we go. All right, sorry, I just needed to kind of wait for a second. All right, so good to go there. Let's look at the storage here in the center. You got yet another power adapter, a little cell phone pocket, I like that. And up here we got, you know, sunglass holder and some mirrors in the back. It's lit. It's got like a little wiggler there at the seams. Let's see if there's a wiggler here too. Nope. You see it for a second. There we go. All right, done. And cargo lights are working too. Let's check the glove box. I like, you know, a little bit of the leather they used here, you know, trying not to pleather everything into a coma. And the manuals here for the vehicle itself. Overall, very nice car, 128,000 miles, in good order. And let's see if there's anything else. There we go, wipers, good. Check the back, back's kicking. doing some wiper fluid on the front, good. And what about the back? There we go. All right, a little drizzling. All right, good to go. So that covers the generals on this car. I mean, I think it's nice overall, but you can be the judge. But everything's up and working pretty good, nice. Let me know what you think.